Dr. Bilgadeep Khan, a virologist and a public health scientist.
I am Dr. Anna Mani. I was a physicist and meteorologist. I studied the skies, wind, and the climate of our nation.
I am Dr. Indira Hinduja, a reproductive scientist. I helped bring India's first test tube baby into the world.
I am Dr. Asima Chatterjee, an organic chemist. My research led to medicines for malaria and epilepsy.
I am Dr. Neena Manandikar. I am from Goa. I am an educator and a researcher. I received an award in 2024 for Women in Science.
I am Dr. Kalpana Chawla, an aerospace engineer and astronaut. I traveled beyond the Earth to explore the universe.
Indian women in science. We innovate, we lead, and we inspire. The future of science is inclusive, fearless, and bright.
A very warm welcome to everyone gathered here. We are thrilled to be your host as we celebrate National Science Day. Science is not just a subject, it is the curiosity to ask why and the courage to find how. A day that marks the groundbreaking discovery of the Raman effect by the legendary physicist Sir C.V. Raman.
On this special day, as we reflect on the theme, Women in Science, Catalyzing Viksit Bharat, we thank you for the countless women who have contributed to science, innovation, research, and leadership.
Saint Teresa,
O Saint Teresa,
of the Child Jesus,
of the Child Jesus,
inflamed with God's love,
inflamed with God's love,
give me childlike faith.
I thank God for my life. I thank God for my home.
It's not just a logo, it is a vision of curiosity, courage and creativity, which Scientistica 6.0 celebrates.
I hereby declare the National Science Day celebration, Scientistica 6.0 at St. Teresa's High School, Sansteva, officially open.
tests and trials, circuits go, questions make our knowledge grow. Logic, or side by side, truth our guide, with curious mind.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I quote Eleanor Roosevelt. Today we celebrate National Science Day, commemorating Sir C.V. Raman discovery of the Raman effect. This year's theme, Women in Science, Catalyzing Viksit Bharat, highlights the crucial role women play in shaping India's future. Let's inspire and empower our young minds, especially girls, to pursue careers in science and contribute to our nation's growth. I'm honored to welcome our chief guest, Mrs. Sandra Fernandez, our guest of honor, Mrs. Mabel. Along with her, we have Mr. Miguel Braganza, so many years a botanist. We have our PTA chairperson, Mrs. Jacqueline, and the parents who took time to be here on the executive committee for the PTA. Sister Molly, all those teachers in charge of science and will make science become alive and application-minded for our children too. Staff and my dear young scientists in the years to come. Let's appreciate our talented students for their incredible projects. What you can see here around, and congratulate the award winners. They are all here. A big shout out to all the global Olympiads who are here today and who will be receiving their awards, who already were awarded with their participation certificates. Kudos to our dedicated science faculty.
Trees give us fresh air to breathe, rivers provide water to drink, and animals share this world with us and help keep everything in balance. But guess what? Earth needs our help. Every time we plant a tree, pick up litter.
Wonders in the world if you stop and look around, and the magic that's inside you that's just waiting to be found.
And right now, as I stand in front of all of you, I just see these beautiful stars shining in the faces of all our dear students. Remember, you are our future, and everything will depend upon you.
And water, all the stuff are doing a small seed which is planted in you. Now it's time for you to nurture it. This is an opportunity where you learn about lot about science. You have done a lot of experiments. You have done a lot of things here with the science. This is like a seed, and you all have to nurture it.
With sincere gratitude to everyone who contributed directly and indirectly to our success of Scientistica 6.0. Thank you one and all. Let's keep the flame of scientific curiosity burning bright